Welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Andy Imlay with PC Quest, and today we're going to show you how to do updates on your Windows 10 PC. So we're going to go down here to your Start menu in the lower left-hand corner, and then we're going to go to Settings, which is this gear icon right here. You're going to click on this. This is going to bring up your Windows settings screen. You're going to see Update and Security is in the last row furthest to the right. So you're going to click on Update and Security. And as you can see here, we've got several updates available that need to be applied. These are all the security updates that Microsoft has released. And typically they release these every Tuesday. So you'll just click the download button. And as you can see, these will start downloading in order and installing. And typically there'll be a couple reboots of your computer that happens during this process as well. And if there are any more updates, you can do this process again after you've rebooted the computer and installed the current updates that are here, and it will let you know if there are any updates available. If there are no updates available, you will just see a green check mark right up here that will say no updates available at this time. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Tip Tuesday on how to update your Windows 10 computer. If you'd like to learn more information about using Windows 10, you can contact us for some one-on-one training with yours truly. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for next time.